Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 8 Plus Product Red Edition. And we're also going to take a look at some red accessories. Now you can buy this from apple.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price is exactly the same as the original iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. So if you get the 64 gig version, you're looking at $800. And if you get the 256 gig version, you're looking at $950. Now, what's the difference between the Product Red version and the original iPhone 8 and 8 Plus? Two things. Number one, the color. Now you got a red choice. And number two, the charitable donation. So what does that mean? Each purchase contributes directly to the Global Fund to support HIV and AIDS programs. All right, so I respect that. Now, before we pop this open, there's one thing that I don't like, so I got to mention that real quick. Apple, if you're watching this video, please stop doing this. All right, now, look, I appreciate the red color, but me and 50% of everybody else that bought the original iPhone 8 and 8 Plus would have liked to have the red choice at launch. So Apple, this is not your first time doing this. Next time you come out with a phone and you know you're going to bring out the red one, bring it out at launch. Give everybody the option to get the new color at launch date. All right, now with that being said, let's pop this open. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Typical Apple presentation, nice clean white box. I like that, giggity. Now I went with the 64 gig version because this ain't gonna be my primary phone. So here we go. All right, now I've never seen this in person, so let's enjoy this. Okay, designed by Apple in California. Inside, you get your Product Red pamphlet. Pluck it, file it to the side. Welcome to iPhone. More books. And of course, your Apple Troll stickers. Anybody that has a Google Pixel 2 XL or a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, you know what to do. All right, so that's pretty much it. Zerks, jump in the box. Now for the phone itself. Whoo, now look at this. Hold up. Rah. Now I got to keep it 100 with y'all. This is absolutely beautiful. The glass back and the red, this just looks so tough. And the black front. This is major, right? This is major. Of course, you get your Apple headphones. Get your power plug. And your lightning adapter. Now, where's your headphone dongle? That should be in here somewhere. Oh, and your headphone dongle. That's pretty much it. Now, let me hide this stuff from Zerks. And we'll take a look at the phone. Let that sink in for a second. Zerks, fall back for a second. The people want to see. Check this out. Come on, Zerks. Zerks is trolling. All right, Zerks, I'm about to file you to the side. Chill, let me, safety net. All right, here we go. Now I might have to edit that part out. Look at the beautiful red. This is candy apple red on the back. There's your dual cameras. All right, hold on a second. Zerks, I got to file you to the side. Rah. All right, here we go. On the bottom, there's your dual speakers, lightning adapter. I felt the stick on the front. Let's peel the stick off. Rah. Now the all black front, this just looks amazing. Let's see if we got any juice on this one. Okay, here we go. And in the meantime, let me give you a comparison to some of my other iPhones that I got. Here's the 8 Plus in the rose gold. Same glass back. But look at the difference between the white front and the black front. Now it just looks like one giant screen compared to these big giant bezels. Let's pull out the, we got a silver. Okay, and my iPhone 10 is silver also. So you get a difference in the size. iPhone 8 Plus is a lot bigger. All right, so what I'm going to do is, let me pause the video. Let me set up my phone. Then I'll show y'all some dope red accessories that if you get one of these phones, you're going to want to check them out. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got the phone all set up, and just like the original iPhone 8 Plus, this is a major, major, major go. Now, performance-wise, everything is exactly the same. But looks-wise, this is without a doubt the best-looking iPhone that I've seen yet. Now, last year's iPhone 7 red version, that one was pretty dope, but it had the white front that I wasn't really feeling, and it had the matte red feel on the back. This year's version, with the glass back and the candy apple red, this is the best looking iPhone out. Now let me show you some accessories. First up, we got the red Nike band for the Apple Watch. Now, this is aftermarket. Paid about 15 bucks for this. I'll drop the link if y'all like this one. Now, let me show you a couple of cases. First up, we got the UAG Plyo Series. Now, this is going to run you 20 bucks. All right, so let's see how the red looks with the red iPhone 8 Plus. Red on red. Let me get a little wipe down. Here's red on red. Now, this is pretty sick. All right, let's keep it moving. Now, another one from UAG. We got the Monarch series, the red version with the real leather and the real screws. This one's going to run you 60 bucks. Now, y'all know how I feel about this case already. Let's see how it looks with the red. Let's get a little wipe down. This is amazing. All right, now you got a little red coming through the cutout and the all black front. You can't go wrong with this one. All black, black and red. This is tough. All right, let's keep it moving. Next up, now we got a few new ones. We got the Spigen Ultra Hybrid 2. Now this is going to run you 12 bucks. All right, so let's check this one out. Okay, white shoes didn't go for the box. All right, we got some sticker struggles. Let me grab a little knife. All right, here we go. That sticker was trolling me. Rah. Now this one looks dope. This is the one that's going to showcase the color of your phone. Hard shell material in the back, transparent, with a nice rubberized bumper. All right, so we'll slap this one on and see what it looks like. Here we go. Let me get a little wipe down for that dramatic effect. Now, it's not the same red, but it's red enough. All right, a little bit of razivity on this one. This one is lit. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, let me turn my notifications off before I get blown up. Next up, we got the Ology Skyfall Series. Now, this one's going to run you 15 bucks. Let's check this one out. All right, more sticker struggles. All right, here we go. Now, this one looks like a darker version of red. Oh, now this is the one right here. Look at the red on red. Let me grab that knife again. All right, so this is the Skyfall Series. You got a transparent hard shell on the back with the plastic bumper going around. Now, this is a darker version of red, so it's going to match your product red iPhone 8 Plus a little bit better. All right, so let's slap this one in here. Here we go. Whew, now look at this. I got to wipe this one down. Check this out. Now, this might be my daily style case. Now, I know I got this for a bunch of other phones. A lot of people are going to ask me, is it going to turn yellow? And the answer is no. Because when you get transparent style cases, the part that turns yellow is the corners. So this got the red corners, so no yellowness. All right, let me clear my notifications real quick. No thought activity. Skyfall Series. This is a win right here. 15 bucks. Let's keep it moving. It's a two-part style case also. You look at the colors, though. You see one is bright red and dark red. All right, next up, we got the Spigen Slim Armor CS. And the CS stands for card slot. Now, this one's going to run you 16 bucks. Now, this one is a little bit darker with the red also. Okay. Let's slap this one on. Now, y'all seen all these cases before, so I'm not going to make a big deal. We'll just slap them on and try them out. Okay, so all black on the front. That looks beautiful. Little red popping through the camera cutout. And this one has your credit card slot on the back. Drop your card in. This is going to be the perfect going out style case for your brand new red iPhone 8 Plus. The product red. All right, let's keep it moving. A couple of more accessories. Next, now we found this battery case. I don't know what brand this is. I'll figure that out later. This was about 30 bucks. Now, let me show you why this caught my eye. Look at the color. All right, now this has got a nice weight to this. Oh, this is dope. Soft matte feel to this. This looks like something from OnePlus. Now you got a lightning adapter on the inside. Let's see. I think this is 30,000. Matter of fact, I just filed the box to the side. Let me check this one real quick. This is high capacity. All right, cool. High capacity. That's good. All right, 7,000 milliamps on this one. All right, so we'll slap this right in. Line it up and slap it in. Now this has a silicone feel to this. Everybody's blowing me up right now. Here we go. Oh, now this is nice. This is nice. This is a nice battery charge case. Let's see. Got a little. Oh, look at this with a little LED, and it is charging. 30 bucks. This is a nice find right here. Now I don't even know the name of this. Let me find out. I'll leave the link for this in the description. Let's see. This is the. I just got it because it was red. I don't know the name. All right, what's the name of this? I don't know. I don't know the name. But that little LED indicator on the back, that's a nice touch. Okay, a little bit of razivity. This is not a slam boy case, battery charge case. 7,000 milliamps, charge your phone up twice. Now, it is a little bit on the heavy side, not the thinnest in the world, but it gets the job done. All right, let's keep it moving. Let's turn this off. Now, I got 2 more cases. Of course, we got the official product red cases. Let me grab those real quick. First up, we got the product red silicone case. Now, this one's going to run you $40. All right, so let's check this out. Okay, here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Look at the interior on this. Kind of feels like Alcantara. Silicone on the back. Red Apple symbol. This might be the one right here. This reminds me of the OnePlus case that I love so much. Oh, this is nice. This one feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. It is what it is. All right, let's check the razivity on this one. Nice amount of razivity. Bottom wide open. Top got a little protection. Of course, wireless charge is going to work. Look how thin the case is. Now, I've been sleeping on the silicone case. I'm wide awake now. This is a go right here for $40. Let's keep it moving. One more product red case. Now, y'all know which one is coming. The big boy. We got the leather. All right, the iPhone 8 Plus leather case, product red, official tissue. Now, this one's going to run you $50. All right, so let's check this one out. I'm trying not to activate the beast mode tactics today. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Now, look at this. Oh, this is nice, too. This is nice, too. Let me do the smell test. Real leather. All right, this smells like quality. You got your Apple logo embedded into the back. There's your buttons, cutouts, buttons, and cutouts. Same Alcantara feel on the inside. We'll slap this one on. Oh, this is nice. This is it. All right, I found my case for the iPhone red. This is it. All right, so if you're only going to get one, get this red leather, $50. I know, price is a little high. Get the red leather and get the Skyfall when you want to showcase that color. But all of the cases look nice. Now, we got one more accessory. This is the big boy. We got the Beats Studio Wireless 3s. Now, on a side note, if y'all want to see a review on this one, I know this is a little bit old. I was going to pass on these, but the red, I had to do it. All right, I'm going out of the country this week, so I had to go all red. Got to go all the way with it. Now, I know what y'all going to say, oh, Beats is trash, Beats is... I know. But the color, the color, the sync, 22 hours worth of battery life. If y'all want to see a review on this, leave it in the comment section and I'll do a quick video. Other than that, you already know what these are. Nice set of Beats. Now, one more thing I want to show you. A lot of cats out there got an iPhone 10 and you mad because you can't get the product red version. I'm kind of mad too. Well, I got something for y'all too. We got 2 cases, product red, iPhone 10. All right, so the same prices. This one's going to run you $40 for the silicone for your iPhone 10. If you want to make it look like product red, slap this right on it. The front is all black. And now you got your red silicone. If you glance at this real quick, you might be able to pass as a product red. And we got one more, the leather. I'm glad I got this. Now I was debating on getting that, but after seeing it on the iPhone 8 on the 8 Plus, I'm glad I got this one. The red leather for the iPhone 10. We'll slap this one on. Oh, had to smell it. Check this out. Now this is how I'm rolling out. With these 2 phones just like this, this is major. Let that sink in for a second. Anyway, this is the iPhone 8 Plus product red. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. Like I said, let me wipe it down. This is without a doubt the best looking iPhone that I've seen yet, coming fresh out of the factory. Not a custom version, not a painted one. Fresh out of the store, this is the best. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.